Super Truck Team, huddle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging.
Hi.
I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Villa construction. Excavator. Dump truck. Dump truck transform. Super Truck Team, let's set off. The location of the task is right ahead. Come with me. Hey! Hey! Ha! Wow! Hey! Ha! Wow! 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 Hey! Woohoo! You're finally here, Truck Team. Come with me. I live in a rundown house. I want to build a villa with swimming pool. Truck Team, can you help me? No problem. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. I am the excavator. Let me tear down the old house first. I need to change a hard drill bit. Let's start tearing down the house. Next, we're going to shovel the gravel. I need to change a bucket. Remove the stones to make room for building the new house. This is the dump truck of our fleet. It can carry the broken stones and waste away.
I am the concrete mixer. My task is to make concrete. The roof needs to be cast with concrete. Now let's start making concrete. Pour materials into the hopper first. Gravel. Sand. Cement. Water. The concrete is well mixed. Connect the pipes and get ready to pour concrete on the roof.
I am the crane, and I can lift heavy goods. Choose a tile and paste it onto the villa. Next, let's install the door and windows of the villa. excavator, and I will complete the task of building the swimming pool. Let's dig a big pit first. Choose the tiles and paste them onto the swimming pool. Turn the handle to fill the swimming pool with water. Let's start decorating the swimming pool. The swimming pool is completed. Wow, the villa has been completed. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much.